Sometimes, life hits you in a way you never expected. The person you trusted the most walks away. The one you made dua for becomes the reason for your tears, and suddenly, your heart feels empty. You sit alone, thinking, Ya Allah, why me? But let me remind you of something powerful. Allah says He is closer to you than your jugular vein, closer than your pain, closer than your broken heart. He saw what happened, He heard every word. He knows every tear that fell from your eyes. You think you lost someone, but what if Allah saved you? What if that heartbreak was actually mercy? Because sometimes, the person you love is not the person who is good for your akira. We get attached to people, but Allah wants us attached to Him. We trust people, but Allah wants us to trust Him. And when He removes someone from your life, it's not to break you. It's to bring you back to Him. Palms up together. Listen carefully. Your story is not over. This pain you feel right now is not permanent. Allah is Al-Hakim, the most wise. He knows what you don't know. Maybe that person was a test. Maybe that love was temporary. But what Allah has written for you is better, pure, and lasting. Powerful reminder. Don't let heartbreak destroy you. Instead, let it rebuild your connection with Allah. Cry in. Talk to Allah in the night. Make dua.